Hello, my name is Indiv Sultana Binavsi from Institut Pertanian Bogor. Today I would like to talk about AI enhanced genomics towards rapid bacterial gene editing. So, without further ado, let's get started. Across the world's farmland, bacterial pathogens are attacking the crops that millions depend on. Farmers work tirelessly to nurture their fields, only to watch as their plants fall victim to disease they cannot control. Pathogens are spreading faster, crops are withered, farmers suffer from devastating loss and their hard work undone by something they cannot even see. In 2050, human population is expected to exceed 10 billion people, while in the other hand, we are experiencing 10 to 40% crop loss annually. So the big question is, how can we fight back? CRISPR gene editing technology giving scientists the power to combat these bacterial threats, but in some cases, CRISPR can sometimes cut DNA at unintended sites, leading to off-target mutation. This is particularly problematic in bacteria with larger or repetitive genomes, where unintended cuts can disrupt important genes or regulatory sequences. But we have the tools to help us analyze the massive amount of genomic data we have on bacteria. We can taught AI to identifying and processing billions of data points and finding patterns that humans might miss. It helps us pinpoint the exact genes that make the bacteria harmful to plants. Once we know the genetic culprits, we can then use CRISPR gene editing to precisely target and modify these genes, cutting out the parts, the bacterial DNA, that cause disease or resistance, and we can even edit bacteria in a way that make them beneficial to plants, helping crops grow stronger and even more resistant to future infection. For farmers, this technology means fewer crop losses and more sustainable farming practices. They can reduce their use of chemical inputs, which is better for the environment and human health, while also allows us to stay ahead of bacterial resistance and ensure that our crops will remain protected. With AI enhanced gene editing, we have the potential to transform our food system, making them more resistant to challenges posed by climate change, population growth, and resource constraint.